Jaluteno piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua omedo chwako dwaro maneno ni oganda jomasawa mar piny Kenya obiro kanyakla. Gachagua ma olose lamo e gwenge mag Buri e kaunti ma Meru okoni en owuon onyalo ng'uono kod winjruok mar oganda kata mano mago mano gwenyorego e yiero mokalo. Gachagua wacho ni oganda jomasawa nyalo mana nywako lwedo e jo agenda mar dwaro ni dongruok mowuok e sirikal ochoponegi.
I've seen an argument yesterday, somebody arguing that for call of unity of our region, we can be isolated. Why would anybody isolate us of being united? Why? How can unity be a bad thing? Is unity a bad thing? Unity is a good thing. I don't think anybody can say that because we are united, we should be isolated. I think that is very retrogressive talk. I have forgiven anybody who may have wronged me, and I've asked anybody I wronged to forgive me. Is there anything wrong with us forgiving one another? That is what we as practicing Christians, that we forgive one another. I don't know why anybody would have a problem if I forgive my brother, I forgive my sister. Hii maneno ya siasa is very temporary. We are the same people. I want to appeal to all leaders to embrace forgiveness. It's there in the Bible. I came into office a very bitter person. But through prayer, and I want to thank my wife, she prayed for me, and within 1 year, all the bitterness had gone. I was a healed person. And therefore, I have forgiven anybody who may have wronged me, and I've asked anybody I wronged to forgive me.